The SDT340 is an ultrasound and vibration data collector. It is designed to transform how you maintain your plant's assets. Whether it's detecting early-stage bearing defects, preventing electrical faults, or finding air and gas leaks, the SDT340 helps you stay one step ahead of equipment failure. With real-time diagnostics and intuitive software integration, you'll identify problems before they cause costly downtime. Maximize uptime, reduce energy consumption, and ensure operational efficiency, all with one powerful tool. Ready to transform your maintenance strategy? The SDT340, your key to smarter, more efficient maintenance.